Imagine drifting through the silent void of space, but then you hear this. These are the sounds of planets and even our sun. Although space itself is silent, thanks to NASA and modern technology, we've turned electromagnetic waves and vibrations into audible sounds, and some of them are downright terrifying. You might be wondering, how can we hear anything in space if it's a vacuum? Well, space doesn't carry sound like Earth's atmosphere does. But planets, stars, and even black holes emit vibrations, magnetic waves, and plasma oscillations. NASA uses instruments on spacecraft like Voyager, Juno, and others to capture these electromagnetic signals. By converting these signals into sound, we can hear what the planets and stars are saying, and it's creepier than you might expect. So why do these sounds feel so scary? It's because they are unfamiliar and primal. We associate deep hums, distorted whispers, and roaring vibrations with danger or the unknown. These sounds reveal the immense power and mystery of our universe, reminding us that space is not just empty darkness. It's alive with energy, and it has a voice. Which sound creeped you out the most? Let me know in the comments below.